There's just something about a bright, sunny day that makes you feel good. It's still 35 degrees and freezing, but it makes you feel like summer is coming, or at least warm weather. And I'm pretty excited about that. So today is my 30th blog, and over the last 30 days I've actually learned a lot about myself. I've actually learned that I don't know how to relax. What do I mean by that? Well, I always have to be doing something. If I'm sitting watching TV, I'm on my laptop working. Even when I don't have a job, I'm in the office working, doing something, doing this vlog or my art or something like that. And it's always been this way. For instance, when we go on vacation, I can't just take a vacation where we do nothing and sit on the beach. It drives me crazy. I really need to be doing something, which I think is why we like Disney so much, because there's always something to do. We get up in the morning and we're going all day long. The only time we really stop is to eat. And even when we're eating, we're still doing something. I think once I figured this out, it actually explained a lot about problems I've had in the past. Some examples? I can't really sit through a movie. I like to watch them at home. I don't like to go to a theater because, well, then there's nothing else to do but watch the movie. And it's hard for me to do one thing at a time, apparently. I've always had a real difficult time sitting through long meetings where I'm supposed to be paying attention to one person talking for hours on end, or even for 20 minutes on end. I just have difficulty doing it. I have to be doing something. I feel like all my life I've been kind of labeled as a relatively smart dude who's just lazy and a classic underachiever. And maybe I think I bought into that a little bit at times. Now I kind of figured out that none of that stuff is really true. The truth is, I just never found anything I was particularly passionate about. See, I'm not sure whether you can ever actually really achieve anything positive in life if you don't have any passion for what you're doing. And I think that's been missing for a really long time for me. So what else have I learned over the last 30 days? Well, when I started this journey, I had never filmed. I had never really been in front of a camera. I had no idea how to work a camera. So over the last 30 days, I've become a reasonably decent editor. I learned how to add music and soundtracks. I've learned how to equalize all the sound. I've learned how to work in front of a green screen. But most importantly, I've kind of learned how to be comfortable in front of the camera, which I think is the biggest hurdle. If you look at how far I've come over the last 30 days, and it's been more than 30 videos because some days I've uploaded multiples, but I think I've made huge leaps, and I can't wait to see where another 30 days gets me. And I think I should definitely mention one thing. Given the fact that today is Valentine's Day when this video comes out, I wouldn't be able to do all these things without the love and support of my wife. Thank you for letting me chase my dreams. I can't say enough about how much your love and support means to me. And that goes for all you folks that watch and subscribe every day. I really appreciate it. I couldn't do this without you. You give me the energy and support that I need to continue to drive forward and learn new things and try new things and just get better as an overall filmmaker. Hello, fellow YouTubers. If you like what you've seen on my channel, please subscribe here. It goes a long way towards helping new viewers find my channel. Also, if you want to watch the last video I created, you can get that right here. And please leave me a comment. I love to interact with my viewers. Let me know how I'm doing.